how to buy DEEPBOBER token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and get following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. But before that, as you can see, this token is trending number 3 on the screener right now on Solana section. So to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. As I said before, copy the token address from here. This token address, remember, it's under the Solana token. Now open your funds money for that. And as you can see here, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in wallet, of course. Click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive of that token. Now first, after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy DEEPBOBER token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.